Look who's arrived! UPS is here. All right. What's going on? TJ,
Yeah.
What's happening?
Not much, man. Waiting on motorcycle parts.
There you go.
That's right.
It's always entertaining. UPS is here.
UPS is here.
He's got something for us. He's got one of these fairing stays. Michael has bought me a new fairing stay, post Virginia International Raceway, where Greg took me out in corner 1, and Michael was kind enough to send me a fairing stay. No, this is just recording right now, but this will be on something. YouTube probably.
Oh, good.
What's your name?
My name's Joe.
Joe?
Yeah.
Well, thank you. You brought me a part for the motorcycles, right?
Have a good day.
Cheers, cheers.
Build them? Build them?
Race them. Yeah, we're going racing.
Good luck.
Well, thank you. We'll open her up. See what we got in there, TJ. There's a knife on the table or a blade if you need one. Yeah. There we go. Right in Churchville. It's like, I hope there's something in there, huh? Voila! Nice! Motor holders for the BMW. Well, that was really nice of Michael to offer this. He just pretty much messaged me and he says, hey, what do you need for your bike? I heard about your crash. And I'm like, I need a new fairing stay. And some M&Ms. Okay. All right. Max BMW.
Nice.
I don't know if he works at Max or something, but I'll have to follow up. I'll let Marianne have these. All right, well, we're ready to go. Thank you, Michael, very much for the fairing stay.